How to turn off active status on TikTok. Active status is the notification that a TikTok user is online. When a user is active, a green circle will appear next to their username, indicating that they are currently online. If you want to use TikTok without being disturbed, you can simply turn off your active status. This way, no one will know you're there. Let me show you how to do it. Open the TikTok app. Then, tap on the profile icon to access your profile. Now, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu, open Settings and Privacy. Among the options, click on Privacy. There you'll find the Activity Status field. Mine is currently enabled, meaning everyone knows when I'm online. Now, I'll turn off the activity status by clicking on the toggle button next to it. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you're interested in more tutorials related to social networks, please follow our channel.